In this video, I will show you how to split first name and last name in Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So first open your browser and then open Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet from the browser, and now create a document here. I have already created a document. Here you can see SL number means serial number, name, first name and last name. 4 different cells I have created. Name here contains the full names of each and every person. So how we can split those names? So follow the entire steps. Here you will have to write a formula. Watch it carefully. Write split in capital and enter the cell name. Then enter a comma and follow the entire step. Now enter. Here you can see the first name of the person Abhijit Maiti is splitted in 2 different cells. Now select 2 cells of first name and last name of the first person and now drag it down. Now see, all the name of the persons have been splitted in 2 different cells like first name and last name. So I hope you understood the entire process, and if you like this video then please like our tutorial and thanks for watching.